Yo, what's good? This is your boy, Meet Your Boy Michi. Welcome to my channel. First things first, this channel here, it's personal for me because this is my first real step into sharing a part of the creation that most people don't see, the grind behind the beauty. See, anybody can press record, but not everybody knows what it's like to sit there for hours deep, perfecting color, tuning sound, chasing that money.
Give me my money, give me my cash.
Chasing that moment when it finally feels right. Then boom, your program crashes like it's got an attitude. Like my baby mama.
I told you. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you? 'Cause I told you.
I remember sitting there, hand on the mouse, just staring at that frozen computer like, man, are you serious right now? I almost threw my whole setup out the window. Then I laughed, because I knew
It was just a part of the game.
that's what this channel is. It's not just about editing, it's about the patience, faith, and the lessons you pick up between renders. We talk DaVinci, Premiere, Pro Tools, Dehancer, any other programs you can name. But deeper than that, we talk understanding your craft enough to move through chaos. You don't need no fancy setup to create magic. Half the time I'm editing with one lamp, a cup of that good, if you know what I mean. And whatever's left in my motivation. But somehow that's when the best work happens, when you stop chasing perfection and start flowing with purpose. And if you made it this far, real talk, I respect that. I'll be digging into some how-to projects using my own setup with DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, Premiere Pro, Pro Tools for audio, and a few other programs I'll probably be fighting with until they get the message. You can find all that up top or down bottom of the description. Walkthroughs, breakdowns, templates to get you started. Plus some real game to help you get your projects looking right. And look, if you pick up something or you just like the way I rock, like the way I swag, or like the way I teach, cool. Stick around. We be building something here, something solid. If not, no pressure. It's all love. Just remember, your computer might freeze before you leave, so choose wisely. At ease. Did I say templates? Is it templates or templates? I don't know. Who knows? Just staring at that frozen computer.